court fees I have paid, my lord, the court fees.
Yes.
But the only thing is that, my lord, with the CRAN applications, but only a BCG your lordship.
What application?
CAN applications, my lord.
Can. Yes.
But the only thing, my lord, only thing is that, my lord, let it all the applicants in the CAN applications are on a similar footing. My lord, we are ready to pay the court fees, whatever may be. But kindly allows. My lord,
Court fees will not do, my lord.
What is the matter
My lord,
about?
I tell your lordship, this is the matter where they have undergone the, my lord, 18 months my lord, DLED course, through ODL mode. My lord, Supreme Court had held, my lord, this is not the, my lord,
my lord,
Equivalent.
Supreme Court has held
Jaivir Singh case.
in the
Yes.
Jaivir.
Therefore, my lord, he has filed one writ petition and, my lord, filed, my lord, so many cans, my lord, that the
For the
all
addition
the
of party.
applicants are similarly, my lord, situated for addition of party.
No, we can decide the writ petition. We can see later on.
I am also, yes, my lord.
Let the writ petition
yes,
be decided.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, this writ petition deals with the applicants.
Done.
না আচ্ছা লিস্টে তো প্ল্যানগুলো আছে
My lord, I appear for the state in 73.
My lord, the writ petitioners.
My lord, I appear for the state of West Bengal in item number 73.
Yes.
yes
My
the
lord,
writ petition
my lord, the writ petitioners have obtained their DLED course from the Open University from NIUS. Thereafter, they have opted for the interview, but in between, the Jaivir Singh judgment came. After the Jaivir Singh judgment, we have been stalled to participate in an interview because the Apex Court clearly stated that 18 months course and 2 years is not equivalent. That is a settled principle of law. In fact, there is a division bench judgment also, where the division bench also stated on the same, it was a squarely point, fall on the same point, and it has been decided that no, this is not the case.
what you want I still
My lord,
cannot understand. You want to undergo the
No.
screening.
My lord, I am very candid before your lordship.
Yes.
What happened is the judgment of the Apex Court, it deals with the Uttarakhand matters. Now, my lord, this is the settled principle of law, so it has to be get dismissed. So
Yes.
it is obvious. My lord, that is the only thing. My only point is that, my lord,
to act in accordance with the direction passed in Jaivir Singh. This is what the court can say. Otherwise, nothing more.
No, nothing more.
Then,
Well, only thing is that
yes,
I had to get it dismissed from unless I get dismissed from here, I cannot move before the Apex Court. That is, I'm very candid before you.
Cannot be a reason, my lord.
I fail to understand your reasoning.
My lord, these applicants have gone.
Forget the applicant. Speak about the writ petitioner. What you want in the writ petition? You want to act in accordance with Jaivir Singh's.
JVC.
And it can be disposed of.
Absolutely, man.
6 court fees have not been paid.
No, man, we paid, my lord.
6 you have paid?
My lord.
Where is it?
But it has been highlighted in the case status.
Please check whether the deficit court fees has been paid or not. Please check.
Online check করুন. Online
বলুন দেখতে. But for acting in accordance with the direction passed in the Jaivir Singh's matter, were you required to approach the High Court?
But we have,
after the Jaivir Singh, my lord, this writ petition is, my lord, to be dismissed.
It's no use. Why will the writ petition be filed?
My lord, only thing is that and
objection complied.
But down the line.
আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি. Yes. All objections are complied though. Fees 1,000 rupees paid. Yes. Why did you file the writ petition in the very first place?
My only point is that, my lord, if I move to the Apex Court, well, I cannot go without having a dismissal from this court.
Absolutely not.
No, my lord. We have been barred, my lord.
No, sir. Possibly not. And I am not going to dismiss your writ petition.
Well,
I am not going to dismiss. There is nothing to dismiss.
Well, because there is
The petitioners intend to act in accordance with the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in SLP within brackets civil numbers 23583 -84 of 2022 in the matter of Javeer Singh and others versus state of Uttarakhand and others. কি দিয়ে শুরু করলাম? In accordance with the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 28th November 2023 in SLP Ato within bracket Javeer Singh and others versus state of Uttarakhand and others. Stop. Paragraph. It will be open for the petitioners to take steps in terms of the aforesaid judgment. Writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord, the can application, my lord.
What is to be done in the can?
My lord, kindly, my
My
lord.
lord, kindly, my lord. I am
My lord,
creating
only
an
thing, my lord,
opposition,
only,
please
my lord,
stand over the
opposition,
stand.
my lord. My lord, kindly, my lords. My lord, they are on almost on the similar. My lord knows, my lord.
Kindly do not
Assume-
indulge, my lord.
Assume that your can is not being entertained.
My lord.
What happens? What happens?
My lord, only predicament that applicants are facing. My lord, let's not go by the petition. Let's get, my lord, only one point of time. My lord, if the can gets not entertained, my lord, then we have to act on the acts of the Javeer Singh judgment.
You have to do it.
I have to do it.
Whether your can
And-
is admitted, not
Or
admitted.
not, my lord, but only thing is that let it be disposed of, let it be dismissed. I am ready to pay the court fees, so I can move before a forum, my lord. That is my only argument, my lord, point of argument. In fact, that is my only prayer.
I will grant you leave to file fresh petition.
That will be enough, my lord.
Acha. The two separate applications have been filed seeking addition of party in the instant writ petition. Parties. Paragraph, it appears that the applicants, it appears they were দরকার নেই. It will be open for the applicants to file fresh writ petition on the same cause of action if so advised.
My lord, one thing, your lordship,
Deep lordship.
kindly record his submission, your lordship.
With submission
My lord, that the writ petition,
has to be dismissed to move
Yes,
to Supreme
yes,
Court.
my lord.
Why should I record all rubbish
No,
over
as per
here?
the order of the Javeer Singh, my lord.
Nothing.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Can disposed. Both cans disposed.
কোচডপের উপরে কি করে অ্যাপিলে যায়?
আচ্ছা, একটা 15-তে কি একটা পাস ওভার একটা রয়েছে দেখলাম না?